I love everything maritime. Sailors, boats, lighthouses, waves, fish, fishing, pirates, merman and mermaids, rope, wood, fabric. I can't help it. I feel like I shouldn't like boats. Only rich people can afford boats, the new shiny ones. My mom would dress me in stripes and go sailing. She is very classist too. But saying that is also a disservice to those who still make a living from fishing. Ocean existed far before class. Boats take us to far lands and deep oceans where mysterious creatures live. Not just real ones, but ones of imagination. Mermen, sirens. I even have a merman tattoo. But there are also many real things. Love it or fear it, we each yearn for the ocean for our own reasons. What's yours?